Oh, that's nice.
Alright, what's up guys? My name is Ruben. This is my first YouTube video, but today we're basically going to be installing a black Hellcat hood over this weak RC hood. This weak, like for real, is weak. Like, look at this. Like, this is weak. This is basically a V6 hood too. Like, I don't know why Scatpack has a... Hey. There goes that big SRT engine right there, for real. That shit right there says SRT powered. It does?
Hey, we in this. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Just look at this thing.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, and we just got a little setup going on. We got these lights right here. We
Hey,
clear stuff out the garage. I know my garage is messy.
Lowe's. Go to Lowe's. $40. Hey, we're gonna have haters, bro. We're talking about. They don't know what the
Back. Yeah.
Yeah, we in this.
Yeah. Oh. Hey man. Just do it. Did you do it though?
Scatpack.
Oh.
What?
Bro, I just up this shit.
Hey, might as well just rip it up.
Oh my god.
Nah, don't rip it up.
That bitch. That. Woo!
Yeah, we're gonna need to save that.
But wait. So the first step is you're gonna have to remove this heat shield, whatever it is. I really don't know what it is. I know you can't really see my face, but you gotta remove this from the hood. Yeah, you might end up breaking it like me. I just ripped it right there. Look at that.
Come show them the.
That's bad.
This
Alright, step 2 is you're gonna have to remove this wire right here. Hey, did you already take it off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, hold on.
Show them like this. Like, come right here. You gotta like pull that black up, pull it up.
You basically just pulling that out, both of those. Oh, you don't want to break that though.
Yeah, I know.
So we gotta go slow.
Come on. God damn.
That's where I ripped it. Okay guys, I wasn't recording because he had to answer a phone call. But there was one right here, something like that. There was one right here
I don't know. I get them from.
and one right there, and it's just these. So it's easy to take off.
Thank you.
Alright, that's all.
Ready?
Wait, hold on. Alright, you good.
Ah, this hood is light. This is light. This is the Scatpack hood.
This is the.
This
these
is-
fixes have this
I was
too.
gonna say this is like the.
This is why I'm getting rid of it. It's so weak.
It's just a Challenger hood. Hey, where's my phone?
There's the Hellcat hood. Shout out to the dude that sold it to me. They usually go for about $1,500, but I got it for $925. Shout out to this dude too for helping me put it on. Oh.
This is light as fuck.
It is. Hold on, be careful with that corner. Oh, this is the part where it's gonna be like just lining it up.
Hey, did y'all?
Oh my gosh, nigga, just look at the color.
Bro!
Toby, hold this real quick. I just want to look. Alright?
Hold it, nigga. I can't hold it like that.
Wait,
Nah.
like that? Yeah.
This.
Look.
Okay, go. Hurry up.
Oh my gosh, this house gotta look nasty. What do we do now?
Hold it, nigga. I got the screws.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold it.
Remember, he said where it breaks the paint, like try to line it perfectly.
Yeah.
Where you could tell the. Aleka, if you're watching this,
God.
we're really working on the hood, so I really apologize.
Can I please just make this in? Oh my God.
Alright, guys, when y'all are putting the Hellcat hood on, always start from the bottom screws when you're tightening it. Because if you start from the top, it's tough. And I don't know why we started from the top, we just dumb.
Yeah, we just retarded, man.
Make that perfect.
If it's not hitting nothing, we're good.
Yeah, but what is that sound of?
Nigga, you just tripping.
Yeah. Slow.
my God.
Damn.
Bro.
That thing looks amazing. If
Don't get a cold air intake.
If y'all
Get
own
a fucking Hellcat
a
hood.
Scatpack, a Hellcat hood is a must-have. I don't care what anyone says. Oh, you got a Scatpack. Like, this thing looks amazing. I'm not even playing right now. Like, y'all need to get a Hellcat hood. We're gonna put these vents on real quick.
I'm trying to go wash my car. Mopar or no car? Looking ass.
Make sure every corner's in. Oh my god. Alright guys, we just finished the hood thanks to that man right there. And this thing looks amazing. Like, I'm not even playing. This was probably the best mod I've done to this challenge so far. That thing looks insane. I'm telling y'all right now, if y'all have a Scatpack, that's a must. Y'all need to get that hood. That's a must. Alright guys, that was today's video. My first YouTube video. Putting on that Hellcat hood. Shout out to Toby. You watching this right now for... He's right there too. Shout out to him for putting on the hood. I appreciate that. But it looks amazing. But I just want to end this video right here. Say, y'all please like, comment, and subscribe. It's my first video. Y'all please hit that subscribe button. And we just gonna keep this thing going. That's it.